What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. We just very close to our first take profit on our Ethereum trade. We're in profits on our Gala trade. Our Solana trade's up like 40%, but we'll get into that in a bit. So we're sitting at 65 cents. We're up 6% on the day. See, market cap 6 points your way. Big 25 volume, 600 million. So let's pop into the charts. So as you can see, we have continued to the upside with the huge Bitcoin breakout that we saw yesterday. Now we do have bearish divergence on the hourly chart. As you can see, we're pushing up, we're creating lower highs. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Yeah, we are quite overbought. So of course we can continue to explode, but we do have a nice 5 waves up. So if we do start to pull back, that's when I'll look to enter a trade. A signal will be given in the Discord for 10 USD per month. As I mentioned, we're in 3 trades right now, which are in profits: Ethereum, Gala Games, and Solana. Solana is up like 40%. That trade went absolutely crazy. But if we do pull back, I'll give you a target zone. As I mentioned, we can continue to the upside. But if we pull back from here, then this could give us a potential entry to enter another long trade to ride up the wave 3. And this would be your target zone in between 58 cents and 53 cents for that wave 2. We talked about here on the daily chart this inverse head and shoulders. If we break the neckline, we could shoot up to the target. That's exactly what happened. We're printing the bullish cross on the daily time frame for Matic, so that pullback is going to offer that beautiful long opportunity to ride up the best wave in Elliott wave, which is the wave 3, and a signal will be given in the Discord for 10 USD per month. Here's our Ethereum trade. As you can see, we crossed this bullish level. We broke that down sloping trend line, and that's why when I gave the signal in the Discord to enter at 1704, and we absolutely exploded to the upside, almost hitting our TP1. So what I'm expecting is that we're pushing up in our wave 3. If you take a trend base of extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top to the bottom of wave 2, we push all the way up to the 2.618. So that could be complete the wave 3, pull back in a wave 4, push up in the wave 5, hit our TP1, and what you'll see here is completion of a wave 1, pull back in a wave 2, continuation up to our take profit 2, our take profit 3, and eventually our take profit 4. And usually I'll give more trade signals, even though I've already given a signal. When we do pull back, if there's another opportunity, I drop another signal in the Discord for 10 USD per month. You spend $10 every single day. We talked about pushing back up into this wedge, how that was bullish and getting back above those daily EMAs, and right there's where we entered our trade and we just absolutely shot up. So it's highly likely that we're coming back up to retest the ascending triangle at 1995, very close to the year I was born. I was born in 93. Anyways, nobody cares. But as you can see, we had a bear trap and then we pushed up, which usually indicates that the bullish scenario is going to play out, and we're going to see that juicy continuation to the upside for our friend Ethereum. That's what I'm looking at. We're making some juicy profits in the Discord. Currently in trades for Gala Games, Ethereum, and Solana. It's $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to the Bitfinex. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into your futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. Make sure to sign up to the Discord through the Patreon link. $10 a month. Not only do you get daily analysis, but you get my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, we're in 3 trades which earn profits. Daily crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals and analysis. We're currently in some juicy Forex trades. We're looking to get into silver and gold on the pullback. Those are going to be massive trades, all for $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.